Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I love to make placemats. It's one of my favorite things to make because they're so quick and easy. And I have some great summer placemat ideas to show you. So let's take a close-up look at some of them. On my placemats, I like to use novelty fabrics. This has pears all over it. It's really, really pretty. Now on this placemat, I've got the pear fabric on one and then just a plain color on the other side. This round placemat is very quick to make, and I have a really easy method to show you how to make your pattern. I also like to make them small, and you can use them maybe in the center of your table to put a little vase on it, and you can use that. Let's look at another one. Here are some rectangular shape placemats, and on this has got lemons, or is it limes? I guess limes, that's what it is. It also has just a tiny little pocket there, not very big. This is real easy. You can use a different color on the back and still you have a two-sided placemat. Now this one takes just a little bit more time, but it's one of my most popular placemats, and that's this one with this border on it. This is not difficult to make. It just has a few more steps to it. And this one is also one of my more popular ones. Look at this large print, very bright and cheery, and it has this really simple quilting stitch pattern on it. Here is a scalloped edge placemat, and I have a really easy technique for making your pattern. It'll just take you maybe 2 minutes to make the pattern. On this, I put the same fabric on the back and the front, but you can make it two-sided, and it's just a little simple stitch around the edges to keep that nice scalloped edge. Here's another one, very bright and cheery, but I do like using the fruits and vegetables. Look at this. Watermelon. Isn't this fun? This is really great for summer outdoor barbecues. And then here's one with tomatoes on it. Got the same thing. And then this one, if you're going to have a little, I don't know, Mexican cookout and margaritas, isn't this fun fabric? Now, I don't know if you can get this anymore because I bought this a long time ago. I wish they had more of it. But look at Joann Fabrics and Crafts, because I know this is where I bought it, and they just might have something similar to it. And then here's that one with the, what are these, limes all over it. So let's move on to some more placemats. If you like to have barbecues on Memorial Day and a big cookout in your backyard on 4th of July, these are some really cute and quick placemats to make. These are rectangular shape. This is a red, white, and blue theme. You don't have to use this theme, but you're just buying two different fabrics and putting some rickrack on it. And you can put whatever you want on the back, just one piece of fabric. Now here's one. This is all Patriotic fabrics. Now I buy most of my Patriotic fabrics from Joann Fabrics and Crafts. Sometime Walmart has them, and so I will buy some from there. This is just 4 pieces of fabric stitched together. And this is a really fun one. This has got a pocket on it, and it's got different fabric on the other side with a pocket. So you can make it two-sided like this, or just put one piece of fabric on the back. And look at this. This is outdoor fabric, and I bought my outdoor fabric from Walmart. They carry a really nice selection of outdoor fabric, and it's about half the cost than at Joann's. Now I have also a video that you'll find the link below your YouTube screen on how to make outdoor fabric pillows and table runners. Here's another round placemat I wanted to show you. Now this is not a quick one to make. This will take you some time. But if you like doing applique, machine applique, this is a machine applique pattern that you can do. So you've got this one piece of fabric here. I have a really easy technique to make this so that it comes out even. So simple. But the reason why I made this is you could make it as a placemat, but I also wanted it as a centerpiece. So you could put a little vase on it with some pretty summertime flowers, or put a little potted plant in there and you have a nice centerpiece on your outdoor table. Well, I hope I have inspired you to make some new summertime placemats. A really good place to find novelty fabrics with the little foods on it is to go to Joann Fabrics and Crafts. They carry a lot of novelty fabrics. The Joann's that's somewhat near me, I have to drive 40 minutes to get there, has one aisle of just novelty fabrics alone. Occasionally, Walmart will carry some, but not all Walmart stores carry fabric. Go to your quilt shop. Sometimes they have some really fun novelty fabrics there. Well, make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!